Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video or in this video we're going to be making soya milk drink. Soya milk drink, sumptuous and delicious milk that can serve for any season, especially this festive season, but you can use it any time of the day or year. So I've just selected the beans. I'll soak it overnight and we continue from there. The beans has doubled in size. I'm using 2 cups, but if I measure it now, it will give me up to 4 cups. I'll go to my sink and wash it. So yeah, I have the soya beans. I've washed it very well, but I'm not peeling off the skin. You can peel off the skin if you want. I'm not peeling off the skin, I'm grinding it like this. So here I have my washed soya beans. Remember, we soaked this overnight. So this is what we have. And I'll be using banana. We're making banana soya milk. So I'll be using banana, but I'm not going to use all the banana. When I want to blend it, you will know how the amounts I'll be using. And then to sweeten it, I have my dates here. I'll be using dates. This already washed and is soaked. So we also blend it along with the banana, or we'll blend it together with the banana. I'm not blending it with this. So for now, let's blend the soya beans and get our soya milk. We need to blend the soya beans so that we can get our soya milk. So let's do that. I'll be sharing it into two batches. I'm not going to blend all at once so that we will not overwork our blender. Add enough water to blend. I'll blend the remaining. I like to blend all at once before I start juicing out. Next, I'll squeeze out the milk and I'll add more water as I'm doing this to make sure I squeeze out all the milk. You can also blend it 2 times if your blender did not blend it well at the first time. I'm done squeezing out or juicing the milk, and here we have it. This is the pulp I got from it. Next, I will transfer into the pot for cooking, but before then, I like to remove this foam or fruity on top. But you can skip this, you can just cook it that way without removing anything. Then just gonna boil the milk. We're going to be boiling this for about 30 minutes, 25 to 40 minutes, depending on the heat. And then we'll be stirring it at intervals. Don't allow it to boil over. What I normally do when it tries to boil over is to, if you reduce the gas, if it doesn't work, I'll put off the gas in total and then put it on again when the milk must have calmed down or go down again. Like this. When it wants to boil over like this, I put off the gas, because no matter how you reduce the gas, it's still going to boil over. So the only thing I do is to put off my gas. When it calms down, I'll put on the gas again. I use enough water to blend the beans and also rinse out the milk. Don't let it be thick. If it is thick, by the time it cools down, it will become very thick. So don't make it too thick. Use water. Use enough water to blend it. Even if you did not use too much water to blend it, when you're rinsing the milk out from the chaff, use enough water. It's been simmering on low heat now for about 27 minutes, and you can see it started forming this up here. So I'll off my gas and allow it to cool down while we continue with the next step. So next I'll peel some bananas and add into the blender. Pour in the soaked and soft date. Add some water and blend until smooth. If you don't want to go through the stress of using fresh banana, you can also use banana flavor to achieve the banana taste. I'm adding in 2 cups of cold water. And the soya milk is cool enough, so I'll take out this thing it formed on top. Next, I'll go ahead and add the blended banana and the dates. Be sure that before you add this, that the milk is cool enough, has cooled down very well before adding this. And then I'll stir it very well. We'll go ahead and sieve it. This is optional now at this stage. If you want to drink it this way, you drink. If you don't want, you can sieve it to make it very smooth. After sieving the milk, I bottled them, and here we have our sweetened banana soya milk. Very delicious, very sweet. I'm not even joking about it. The milk came out very, very yummy. You will love this. Just give it a try. Like I said, you can also use banana flavor to enhance the flavor. Please don't forget to share this video. Please like it and share it. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.